Hi, this is Miss Pickard here. I am going to review telling time with you. This is our analog clock. This is our digital clock. Our analog clock has an hour hand, which is the short hand, and a minute hand, which is our long hand. Your digital clock has our hours first, minutes second, okay? So before the colon and after the colon, okay, on the digital clock. I'm going to focus more on the analog clock today. You'll notice here that it is the hour hand, the short hand is pointing to the 4. So that tells us it's 4. And the big hand is pointing to the 12. So that's our starting point, 4 o'clock. So I can pretend there's a 0, 0 here. Okay? Zero, 0 is 0 minutes. Then I have to remember to skip count by 5s, okay? Because each number here is my hour number. So if I'm pointing, my hour hand is pointing to 3, then it's 3. And with my minute hand, it goes by 5s or 1s. Each little line is a 1 minute. Each number is 5 minutes. So we're going to go around the clock. 0 minutes at the top. 5 minutes. 10 minutes. 15 minutes. 20 minutes. 25. 30. 35. 40. 45. 50. 55. Now, if I go all the way around, I'm going to come up to 60 minutes, but I don't ever say 3:60 minutes. That's 3 o'clock. Okay? But there are 60 minutes in every hour. Now, if my hand is pointing in between here, I'm going to count how many minutes. 1, 2, 3 minutes. Okay, so this would be 3:03, because we always have to have 2 digits here in our minutes on the digital clock. Say our minute hand is pointing here. Okay, so my hour hand, it's still in the 3 range. So it's 3, ... or colon there. And we got 10, but it's not at the 2, so I got to count over. 11, 12. So it's 3:12. This is our hours, and this is our minutes. Okay? Our little hand, unless we're all the way around, our hour hand moves with our minute hand. It gets closer to the next hour, but it's not quite on the next hour. So say right here, okay, my minute hand's not to the 12 yet. Okay, so my minute hand, my hour hand, is not to the 12 yet. It's still at the 11. Okay, so this would be 11. And I know this is 55. I got moved a little bit there. 55. And I'm going to hop here. So 55, 56, 57, 58. So it's 11:58. Now, if I'm in the morning time, it would be 11:58 a.m., okay, before lunch. Okay, if it's 3:03, most of the time, that's going to be after lunch. It's going to be p.m., okay? So, a.m., morning before lunch, before noon, 12 o'clock. P.m. is after lunch, afternoon, after 12 o'clock. I hope that helps with telling time on an analog clock.